Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at evolved keto cups, coconut butter. Normally, when I do these product reviews, I try to do them like after I've tried them, and I can give you kind of a pro and con. In this case, I have literally one of these. Got it in my stocking for Christmas from my wonderful wife. So we're going to try this live. We're going to see if this is any good. I do like the fact that it says 11 grams of fat, 1 gram net carb right there. So it is high fat, which a lot of the stuff that purports to be keto is actually not necessarily as high in fat as what we would like for that slow burn, you know. But in terms of the nutrition facts, let's take a look at that. 130 calories, 2 servings per container. Whoa, baby. Wow, that's crazy. Not a low calorie food, no kidding. Holy cow. So that's 260 calories in this little thing. So that's a lot. Total fat, 11 grams per serving. So that's 22 grams of fat in here. So that's pretty high. So again, you gotta read the ingredients. Let's see, total carbs, 6 grams with 5 grams of fiber. No added sugars. So you're talking about 2 grams of carbs, 22 grams of fat in this thing. So we're gonna try it. See how it goes. All right. Well, first of all, there's actually cups in here. That would explain why they're called keto cups. They're also falling apart. So there's 2 of these cups. So each one of them is what it says, 11 grams of fat, 1 gram carb. Okay. I understand now. These are basically fat bombs with no sweetener. Makes sense. I'm glad I'm eating this in the winter, because this would have been a melty mess if it was in the summer. If you like dark chocolate, it's pretty good. It's extremely, it says cacao around coconut butter, and they're not kidding. So you literally just have coconut in the middle and chocolate on the outside. It's real strong. Organic coconut butter, cacao, Jerusalem artichoke fiber, cacao butter, MCT oil, monk fruit extract. So there is a little bit of sweetener in here, but it is not sweet at all. Certainly does not. I'm going to say this, and it might be offensive. I apologize. It tastes more healthy than what I would expect from a candy. So if you're just eating something as like a meal replacement bar kind of thing, and you don't care how sweet it is, this is fine. If you're eating it thinking, man, I want some dessert, unless your ranking is chocolate number 1, everything else way below it, it's not bad. Don't get me wrong. The chocolate is good quality. The coconut butter is good quality. I mean, it's quality ingredients. You don't have any fakeness at all, which is really nice. But it's got that dark chocolate bitterness, richness, whatever, without any of the help of the sweet, if that makes any sense. So I would say I'd give it a solid 7, maybe 7.5. From a personal perspective, I would say that as a meal replacement, this is a hell of a lot better than most of the meal replacement bars that are out there, because those taste bad, like actively bad. This is not actively bad. This actually tastes good. But I have a bit of a sweet tooth. So I prefer my things to be a little bit sweeter than this. But absolutely, I can recommend this as an option if you're looking for something that's a meal replacement. So anyway, that's a lot of talking. I apologize for the rants, but sometimes you just gotta explain it enough. So hopefully that was enough. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.